If you do a search on Facebook Marketplace or Craigslist, you'll find a lot of toys that can be restored and brought back to life with modern electric conversion kits. Here we have a Manco frame that was spray painted, wheels purchased from eBay. We have size in the front 18 by 9.5-8, rear size 145 by 70-6, wheelbase 33 inches. The frame looks really good, super sturdy. The motor's QS13890H, it's rated 4000 watts, but it's pulling much more. The battery is 20S12P Sony VTC4, 72 volts, 25 amps capacity, BMS 150 amps, rated burst maximum 350. As a controller we have ASI BAC 4000. The battery will be later upgraded to bigger capacity and higher discharge. The speed test is not completed, regular riding and 75 km/h range, but it can go much faster, a lot of torque and power. It can spin the tires at 45 km/h. The project needs wire management and some final cosmetics completion, but the way it sits, it just looks super rad and performs insanely fast and so much fun. This is a must-own conversion EV for any age and size. Guys, if you have any questions, comment below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.